Oh, super early wake up. Birds are out. We're getting ready to smash some monkeys today. Oh, first off. That's one bad guy. Yep. Couple. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, please make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and at the end of this video I've got another treat for you. We've got a springbuck headshot video lined up. There's two of them, which one is on the left one? Okay, we almost took a 460 meter shot. 300 meters on the money. I just held a mole, and I could quite graphically see the result of the shot down range. Vian also got it on the big camera for us. On my right here you can see the popcorn. So essentially it's a simple equation. Unlimited food for these guys. Nothing is really controlling the populations, and even if it were, there's so much food, they're just multiplying beyond comprehension. Just as a reminder, this is a shooting video, not a hunting video. Yeah, in the top. So something to keep in mind, we travel a great distance to make sure that our angle is right with the kind of shots we're taking here, knowing that there's nothing behind that. Also, we make sure we get into a position where we have basically 100% certainty the shot's going to land. So if you're saying you're shooting with like nothing behind it, we are very conscious of that. Okay, so this one happened really quickly. We couldn't put the trigger cam on. I think this might have been the one I just missed because I tried to shoot him in the head. So Vians just ripped him out here, and there is the popcorn that he literally ran out with the popcorn in his mouth when I blasted him. So 90% success rate. The only reason I missed that other shot is because I tried to shoot it in the head. and I should have just gone center mass, because that's kind of what we should be doing anyway. Yeah, fun morning. I mean, I was saying to Via, now we're actually making a dent in the population, which is the goal of this, and it's not fair that we're driving around on the truck and shooting stuff, but it kind of is what it is when it comes to vomiting and managing problem animals. Okay, so we just smashed another one. I think he had a piece of popcorn in his mouth. I don't know how the trigger cam footage is going to look, because you never know what you're going to get with that thing in the first place. But also I didn't really have time to set the parallax, so it's probably not going to look great, but nonetheless, he had a piece of popcorn in his mouth. Popcorn? Funky. Alrighty, good morning so far. I believe we're on 20 already between today and yesterday. So we're making a serious dent in the population. It's a little bit more windy today. The shots are harder. We're having to hold some wind. I tied a ribbon on the front of the bucky's antenna, and that's helping out a lot. So yeah, we're working our way to the next section, and hopefully we can get one or two more. 20 monkeys in the popcorn fields is a hell of a success. In part 2 of this series, we head to the pecan orchards to take care of business. To watch that video, click over here. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave us a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.